Hello. Thank you for investing this time in your school's success. As we go, please feel free to pause and write notes or questions. We will be just a few minutes today, but all of the details can be found in our student handbook and partner school operations manual. I recommend them in that order, and if you have unanswered questions, please let us know and we're happy to help. There are 3 steps to success: communicate vision, consider structure, and connect students. To communicate vision, ask, why does your school exist? Biblical literacy. Research on the church has shown a high degree of biblical illiteracy, a Christian education gap that can only be bridged with an intentional, systematic Bible training program. Your school will offer a sure foundation for students desiring to impact the world for Christ. Spiritual formation. Today's ministry leaders are passionate about the commission to make disciples. Your school is the catalyst to achieving this mandate from Christ. Ministry effectiveness. Church leaders understand their responsibility to equip the saints to do the ministry. Your school will offer a wide selection of courses to do just that. Cultural engagement. It has been said that transformed people transform the world. An equipped follower of Jesus will be able to represent the kingdom of God in culture and exercise a redemptive influence. Your school will equip students to engage the culture. Marketplace impact. Success and influence on the job and in the marketplace is greatly empowered by gaining God's perspective on issues of leadership, business, and finance. Your school will position students for maximum impact. Total access. As a partner, your school has full access to the Christian Life School of Theology Global Curriculum. This also means your students receive a full range of support services. Financial resources. You are investing in your school, not someone else's. Ministry spends substantial sums of money each year on materials without any return. With our partnership, $75 of the tuition for every course taken belongs to your school. Relationship. Christian Life School of Theology Global is committed to helping your school educate, empower, and encourage students to leverage their lives toward kingdom mission in the local church, school, and marketplace. Step 2 is to consider the structure. You can take advantage of multiple ways to offer courses, all supported by our learning management system. Online classrooms are individual students in your school taking a course online and on demand, anytime and anywhere. This option is the ultimate in flexibility, allowing you to help students find their own learning pace. In-person classrooms. Courses contain about 10 hours of lecture. These are perfect for group viewing as a class with or without a facilitator. In addition, many faculty are available to teach in your school. If you have a large enough class, inviting a member of the faculty to present their course live is a great opportunity. We can even help qualify your local teacher to teach one of our courses effectively. Finally, hybrid classrooms. Combining in-person and online, students develop lasting relationships while expanding their learning experience by viewing lectures on their own time and gather as a group to discuss the course contents, encourage each other, study for exams. Get creative and use multiple delivery options, even create your own. The final step is to connect students. Students succeed with your coaching and our learning management system. We serve you as you serve your students. Admissions, course enrollment, and grading are all accomplished by our team serving you. Evaluations of prior learning, degree and certificate applications, and official transcript requests are all submitted directly by your students and completed by our team. A custom LMS branch for your school combines powerful functionality with extreme ease of use. Prospective students get started with a course catalog and a student handbook, answers to frequently asked questions, a new student admissions application, a full faculty listing, and how to contact your team. Enrolled students also get course lectures, materials, and exams for in-person, online, and hybrid classrooms. They enroll in courses directly while we process your electronically deposited tuition share. Ultimately, everything you and your students need in one place with administrative access for you to see their progress and results. And the best is for you. We carry the academic and administrative load so you can focus on creating student life and coaching your students. Simply help them choose the courses that best fit their academic and leadership goals and follow up on their progress. And those are 3 easy steps to success. We are excited to provide you the academic integrity and administrative support to serve your students toward their academic and leadership goals. In these few minutes, we've made a strong start, and more details can be found in our student handbook and partner school operations manual. If you have unanswered questions, please let us know, and we're happy to help. Thank you again for your time, and have a great day.